Hello again, my bedazzled friends. Today I'm just going to rhinestone a vinyl name on a tumbler. Some of the things you're going to need is rhinestone glue, a wax pen, rhinestones. The ones I use is 5M and 3M. You're also going to need like a nail file or a sanding block. I use a nail file. It's easier to work with. What you want to do is begin by sanding your vinyl. After you sanded the vinyl, you want to go ahead and start applying the glue. Just a small amount is okay, but if you do a little extra, you can always go back through with alcohol and wipe it. I start off with 5M because I'm comfortable with 5M, and then if there's a smaller space, I would use the 3M. Here I'm just doing a small name, so it's not too much details, and I made the font a little bigger so it's easier to work with. But yeah, that just about sums it. But if you have any questions, just leave a comment below.